Hey guys, this is Scott from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video we will talk about how to use Kroger Pay. This video will guide you through the steps and more, so watch until the end. To use Kroger Pay, follow these steps first. Open the Kroger smartphone app and sign into your account. Ensure your phone's location services are turned on or activate the app's store mode. On the upper left of the screen, click on the hamburger menu. Scroll down the page until you see the Kroger Pay button and select it. Enter your verification code or 4-digit Kroger Pay PIN. Then, scan the Kroger Pay QR code displayed on your screen to activate the Kroger Pay mode. Finally, scan your purchases to complete the payment. When using Kroger Pay at a self-checkout counter, fuel station, or store, check the store's self-checkout kiosk to see if it displays your purchase order. If it does, click Pay Now under the Select Your Method of Payment option. Choose Mobile to complete the payment process. If you notice the self-checkout kiosk screen bringing up a message that says Mobile Payment Forms Accepted or Kroger Pay, but the Scan Mobile Payment screen does not appear, restart the payment process. This is because the system failed to register your payment initially. So that's it. Follow these steps to use Kroger Pay. Thanks for watching.